Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to disable Brave Search. Okay, so to easily disable it, we can just go ahead and change our default search engine. Okay, and if you want to as well, you could disable or turn off the address bar search suggestions. Okay, so first up, changing the default search engine. Okay, as you can see here, I'm now using Google. Okay. Now to do the same, just go ahead and go to the top right, click on the three horizontal lines. Now go ahead over to settings. In here, go ahead over to the left panel and click on search engines. Now go ahead and click on normal window right here. We have change. Okay. By default, it is set to Brave. You could go ahead and choose Google, DuckDuckGo, or anything that you want. Okay. And just make sure that you click on set as default and you could go ahead and try it out right here and just hit on enter. As you can see here, we are now using Google. Now for the address bar section, you could just go ahead over to appearance right here under settings. Now scroll down. The ones that says show autocomplete suggestions in address bar, you just disable it. Okay. And once that's done, you should be good to go. All right. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.